Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about the famous Salesforce. We are going to cover what it actually is, what it means, and how much money you have to prepare to actually get the account for yourself. So Salesforce is a futuristic customer relation management software, or CRM if you will, bringing companies and their customers together. The integrated software helps departments like commerce, marketing, sales, and service to get an unified view of each client. Moreover, companies can also leverage on the particular to deliver amazing shopping experiences to individual buyers, automate time-consuming jobs, assure quick resolution to queries, raise from the customer's front, and strategize personalized marketing schemes. The solution serves organizations scattered across industries like retail, automotive, higher education, public sector, media, communication, hospitality, and transportation, non-profits, and more. With Salesforce, organizations get the advantage of joining the 150,000 or more like-minded companies, where they can find a massive community of experts ready to help in their company's growth. Besides offering an estimate of the return on investment. Lastly, AI technology equipped chatbot called Einstein within the software helps companies reassess past interactions with individual clients and better understand raised queries. It's for all of you. If you own a business or you are a freelancer, I would say that Salesforce is really for you. So you can run it in your web browser, as I'm doing right now, and also install it into your mobile phone. If it's Android or iOS, it doesn't actually matter. So if you scroll all the way down on their website, there is product pricing. Yet you have to really pick what you want to evaluate or what are your interests. So if you're a small business, sales, service, sales plus service, and many more, I'm gonna go with small business. I would say that's that's the most likely to happen. Starts with $25 a month per user, then Sales Professional, it's $75. Service Professional and Marketing Cloud and Account Engagement, $1,250. But also, it's built annually. So a little for the downside, you have to go annually. Also, you can try it for free for a limited time offer, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.